Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So you should already be in a long. I'm going to show you the next likely point to short. I'm also going to show you why it might be a good time to short Tesla if you play stocks. If you do like this content, leave a like. I would appreciate it. So before we get into this, if you do want to sign up, get access to these charts, and join our community in Discord, the link to sign up is pinned in the first comment and description. If you want to get into leverage trading, I use BitGet. I love the platform. I trust their platform. They have proof of reserves, and they have a protection fund. So again, I feel my funds are safe there. That's why I will continue to use them. If you want to sign up for BitGet, my link's pinned in the first comment description. I also have a no VPN option for you there as well. So let's get into this, guys. So again, I mentioned that the next point too long was this line here, this fib channel around 26,060. You can see this is a previous video I put up. I'll put a link up to it now. I said in that, 2 videos back, I said if the next daily candle opened below 27,400, we could potentially get a bearish move down to 26,110. And you can see that's what happened. We did get a bounce from this point. We pushed back up. We came back. We tested this line again around 25,935, and we're currently pushing up. I also mentioned in the last video, same video I just referenced, that if the DXY pushed up, the point too long Bitcoin would be 101. The DXY hits 104.33, that's resistance for the DXY. DXY comes down, Bitcoin will push up. That's why I said when the DXY hits this point and Bitcoin's at support, that would be the point you would long Bitcoin. You can see we got rejected here at 104.34, started coming down, and Bitcoin's been pushing up. So again, you can use the DXY in combination with the charts. Now this is that same M1 chart. Just want to show how it played out. I've been talking about this for quite a while. I said this is the last line in a fib channel, or a fib channel line, and I expected us to move down this line as a magnet. You see how this played out. You see we got those two bounces, 1, 2. That is right here. So we'll show you the next likely point to short if we push up. Let's go through this, guys. So this is the A1 chart. If we do drop, and again, anything can happen, always use a stop loss to protect yourself. So if you did long from down here around 25,900, obviously have your stop just above in case it does come down. But your current support right now is 26,078, around that area. That would be a great point to enter a long if you're not already in one. If we do push up, next point too short would likely be around 27,100, 27,200. I would probably get out of my long around 27,000. If we do hit 27,200, it'd be a great point too short. We have this fib channel line in this direction. We have resistance trend line here. There's a lot of confluence around 27,000, around that area. And again, this is the M1 chart. So if we do push up, if we get above 27,200, again, you have this central Bollinger Band on the daily around 27,000. So again, that's why I would take my profit on my long around that point. If we do get above that, though, your next resistance to watch is around 27,500. If you got above that, well, as I mentioned, that blue ring on this chart above is the next point. I'm going a heavy short. But we need to pay attention and see what the DXY does. So let me make this very clear. If the DXY comes down, all right, so you can see how overextended the DXY is on the RSI here. It's way overextended. So if the DXY starts coming down, right, and we touch 102, that will be support. That will be the point you would short Bitcoin. So if the DXY is coming down and Bitcoin is at resistance, this would be the point you would short Bitcoin. So again, you can use the DXY in combination with charts to find out where too long is short. All right, let's move on, guys. So again, 27,000, likely point to take profit on your long. If we drop 26,000, great point to enter a long. Okay, Tesla. So really quick, guys, I just want to show you. So this is I came up with this charting method. I have a new way to place fib circles. I just want to show you. So this is a chart I created. Well, I published it on March 7th. I'm going to show you this blue ring, right? You can see how price has been respecting this blue ring going back. You see how it was resistance, support, 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 and resistance. So if price is respecting a fib circle to the left, it will respect it to the right. Notice what happens when I hit play. We give a perfect rejection at this ring. We got another perfect rejection at this ring. So likely, and you can see what happens with these fib channels. This fib channel right here was resistance. We broke this fib channel. We came up, tested this one as resistance. Once we broke this line here, we dropped to the next fib channel line. So if we break this fib channel line here, we're likely coming down to at least test this one or potentially this one. So again, I think it would be a good point to short Tesla. Your current resistance right now is 186.70. Once we break 175.91, then it's likely we are headed down to at least a 157. So I think this is a great setup to short Tesla. Obviously, if we get above and hold above 191, then you probably want to go long. Just want to show you the power of these flip circles and how they work. Same with the Dow Jones. This is very interesting. I've been talking about this in my previous videos. Your support level on this VIP channel was right around 32,868. Notice we came down, we found perfect support right on this ring at 32,600. This is the published version of this chart. I have it played through a bit because it goes back quite a ways. This was published on March 5th, 2021. I just want to show you, these are the this orange ring here. These orange rings are kind of ghosted, but these are the same rings in the fib circle. And just show you that, you know, this chart goes back so far, but watch what happens. We'll come down and get a perfect bounce right on this ring. Actually, it's this one here. That ring right here, we found support. See, that's where we found support. And the markets are currently aftermarket. The Dow is up. And again, the DXY is coming down. So it looks like we should be long right now with Bitcoin. But do keep in mind, your first major resistance is around 27,000. That would be an ideal point to take profit on a short. Or at least if you hit that point, put your stop just below. I mean, it could go higher, but you know, that's the risk you take, how long you stay in. I think that's pretty much it, guys. Just pay attention. Again, what I'm trying to show you is if the DXY is way overextended, it looks like we might have some downside. Bitcoin's inversely correlated with DXY, so if the DXY comes down to 102, that would be the point you would short Bitcoin. And your most key resistance levels are around 27,000, 27,500. If we get above 27,000, that would be the next point to short. But I would open a short at 27,000, and that is based on the A1 chart. But again, guys, if you want to sign up for BitGet, links pinned first comment description. If you want to sign up for Discord and the charts, that link's pinned there as well. And if you do want to learn how I create these charts, I do have tutorials. And when you go to the website, you can click on tutorials. And again, I show you my method from scratch, how to create all these charts. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.